this is the most important and crucial period of your lives, for what you do now and what you decide now at this age may well determine which way your life shall go. And the question is whether you have a proper, a solid, and a sound blueprint. And I want to suggest some of the things that should be in your life's blueprint. Number one, in your life's blueprint should be a deep belief in your own dignity, your own worth, and your own somebodyness. Don't allow anybody to make you feel that you are nobody. Always feel that you count. Always feel that you have worth. And always feel that your life has ultimate significance. Secondly, in your life's blueprint, you must have, as a basic principle, the determination to achieve excellence in your various fields of endeavor. You're going to be deciding as the days and the years unfold what you will do in life, what your life's work will be. Once you discover what it will be, set out to do it, and to do it well. Be a bush if you can't be a tree. If you can't be a highway, just be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. For it isn't by size that you win or you fail. Be the best of whatever you are. Finally, in your life's blueprint must be a commitment to the eternal principles of beauty, love, and justice. Well, life for none of us has been a crystal staff, but we must keep moving. We must keep going. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl, but by all means, keep moving.
Hello, Parkview. This is Tanya, and I want to welcome you all to our virtual peace assembly in honor of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. This past Monday was Martin Luther King Day, a day to honor the life and achievements of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr., who fought for equal rights and justice for all people, regardless of their race or skin color. We celebrate Martin Luther King Day to honor his legacy and to continue the fight for a society where everyone is treated fairly and with dignity. Today, we will enjoy our virtual assembly around our building with our peace partners. And then, as a way to continue Dr. King's legacy at Parkview, we will be thinking about the steps we are taking to promote peace. Please be engaged and enjoy the virtual assembly respectfully.
Hello, Parkview Center School. I'd like to take a minute and read through the equity vision. At Roseville Area Schools, we are committed to ensuring an equitable and respectful learning environment for every student, family, and staff member, regardless of race, gender identity, sexual orientation, socioeconomic status, ability, home or first language, religion, national origin, age, or physical appearance. Thank you.
P is for peace. Peace is learning to be kind to others, work together, and resolve conflict to make our world a better place.
E is for equity.
Equity is understanding our differences to ensure that everyone gets what they need to be successful.
A is for action.
Action is using our talents and resources to influence positive changes in our world.
C is for community.
Community is creating and keeping healthy, respectful relationships with our family, friends, and neighbors.
E is for environment.
Environment is making responsible choices to conserve the earth, resources, and protect our planet.
In my home, school, and community,
I pledge to live peacefully with others.
To share.
To care.
To listen.
To help.
Peace be
begins with me.
Amanda Gorman is an inspiring young poet who gained worldwide recognition when she recited her powerful poem, The Hill We Climb, at the inauguration of President Joe Biden. She uses her words to inspire and advocate for important social issues and empower people of all ages to use their voice to make a difference in the world.
Her poem, Something Someday, was turned into a picture book illustrated by Christian Robinson. It reminds us that small things can make big changes. Here's poet Amanda Gorman reading her poem, Something Someday.
Hi everybody, my name is Amanda Gorman and I am an author and a poet, and I'm so excited to read Something Someday, written by me and illustrated by Christian Robinson. Something someday. You are told that this is not a problem, but you're sure there's something wrong. You are told that this cannot be fixed, but you know that you can help. You are told that this is too big for you, but you've seen the tiniest things make a huge difference. You're told that this won't work, but how will you know if you never try? You're told to sit and wait, but you know people have already waited too long. You're told that what's going on is very, very sad. But you're not just sad. You're scared. You're confused. You're angry. And maybe, just maybe, a little hopeful. You're told not to hope, but you keep hoping anyway. Sometimes you feel like you're all alone, but someday, somewhere, you find a friend. Someone who will hope with you, who believes in your dream, someone who will fight with you. You make a promise to each other. You say, there is a problem, but it's our problem together, so we can fix it together. This problem is big, but together we are bigger. You make another friend and tell them it's okay to be sad. And they tell you, sometimes we'll lose, but that's all right. We'll try again. And so you do. Together, working, together, beginning, over and over and over. Until you're no longer beginning, you're winning. Suddenly, there's something you're sure is right. Something you know you helped fix. Something small that changed. Something big. Something that worked. Something that makes you feel hopeful, happy, and loved. Something that is not a dream, but the day you live in. Something that makes you smile as you tell someone else.
In my home, in my school, and in my community, I pledge to live peacefully with others, to share, to care, to listen, to help. Peace begins
for enjoying our assembly as a community today. You are now going to have time with your peace partners to think about steps you can take to promote peace at Parkview. We will share our steps as footprints around the school. Here is my step to promote peace at Parkview. I am looking forward to seeing all of yours around our school.